Hello! Today we are unboxing Gigabyte's MO27Q28G monitor, which is rather a special one because it was the first in the world who used LG's 4th generation OLED panel. And this primary RGB Tandem OLED, as it is called, uses 4 layers of self-illuminated pixels to produce up to 1,500 nits of peak brightness at 1.5% of APL. So let's take a look at what's inside and then we'll go through some other specifications. So we have a security sticker at the back, which we need to cut first, and then we open it like this. Of course, there are various informations about the monitor on this box. And like we see this side up. So lay it like this on the table and pull everything out. So first thing we have is an AC/DC adapter, which is rated at 168 watts. So this being an OLED, of course, with such high brightness, it should consume a lot of energy. Here we have the wall cables, and this is UK specification. And this one is EU specification. Also, we have a stand. The stand itself is metal, and this piece here is just plastic over metal. Here we have factory calibration papers. Energy certificates, multi-language installation guide, and also a warranty card. Regarding the cables, we have an ultra high speed HDMI. We have DisplayPort cable. This is a cable for the USB hub and also cable organizer. Next up is the base for the stand. Which is also metal with rubber feet below. Installation is toolless. All we need to do is position the base and that's it. Okay, here we have some anti-static bag, and also there's a softer bag inside. We should probably remove this. And then hook it up inside. then it's easy to remove the panel itself. Take off the backs. And here we have this beautiful OLED panel. So, first thing we need to do is remove the protective film from the panel itself. Then we have this protective film over Gigabyte sign at the back. This monitor has decent amount of IOs. It has 2 HDMI ports. It has a earphone plug. It has display port, 1 Type-C port. It has USB service port. It has 2 USB Type-A ports, and it also has this Type-B port. Here we also have the controls for the on-screen display. And the middle one, the joystick, can be used to power up the monitor. Height can be adjusted of up to 130 millimeters. The monitor can be pivoted. And also the angle can be changed between -5 and 21 degrees. Also we can rotate the monitor around the base, but only up to 15 degrees in each direction. So as you can see nicely on the video, the panel is 99% non-reflective, and this actually looks really good. This is like we said, a 27-inch panel with QHD resolution, that is 2560 by 1440 pixels. The refresh rate is 280 Hz with the response time of 0.03 milliseconds. So this is a pretty fast panel which is suited for professional gaming. So regarding gamers, this monitor is G-Sync compatible, also FreeSync compatible. It has VRR anti-flicker technology. Like we said, the peak brightness is 1,500 candles per square meter, or 1,500 nits, and that is typical under HDR and under 1.5% of APL. When we have 100% of APL, the typical brightness is 335 candles per square meter, or 335 nits. The panel has large viewing angles, and the panel is 10-bit and it can display up to 1 billion shades of color. So as you can see here, the reflection of the light is minimal. The picture is very sharp, and this will be a great monitor for everyone who doesn't like to see their own reflection when they're gaming or when they're in a room that has a little bit more light in it.